Hey, don't know why my camera keeps cutting out on me. Stupid effing camera. As I was getting back. Now, continuing on to part 5. If they'd done away with this garbage space and did something like with the cord that you just put in, and then you had a cord that put in there, way better design if they just had like a little plug cord in there. But having this design base, not the best design. I mean, magnet-wise, maybe it's okay magnet-wise, but yeah, if they had where magnetized something like this, it might be better if it was like that instead of going up and over into the socket. So yeah, base is kind of effing garbage. They do sell like a little case that holds, I believe, 4 pods, so you could carry around like 4 extra pods with you, your device. I don't know if you could carry your charger around with it, and the device is kind of like a very bad thing. So I guess if you don't want to carry your little charger around with you, you put it in the little case, and the case will charge it up. I didn't buy it because I believe that was like $30 by itself, and I was like, nah, I'm just gonna try, the pod system. And give the JUUL a little whirl and see what it's all about. So here's how it kind of comes. Here's our 4 flavors. We're going to go in order, going from the green to the oranges, peach. I can already smell them. Now one of them kind of smells like a yucky flavor. I believe that might be that one. Now, here it is. I believe, yep, we just take off the little plastic cover down here. Insert it into here, which it should insert. Don't know why it doesn't want to make contact. Huh. Okay, that's kind of weird. Okay, so when you put it on there, you do kind of have to hold it like this and then give it a little push to lock the pod in there. So let's go with the Cool Mint. Let me pan the camera up just a little bit. Now remember, this is a auto draw device. Nope. Nope. Cool Mint does not taste anything like a Cool Mint. It tastes like nothingness. Let's try the Virginia tobacco flavor one. So crowd-wise, you do get a pretty good puff. Not very much flavor on the Virginia tobacco, but definitely I had to say that one's a little more tastier than this Cool Mint one, which I would think that the Cool Mint one would be more tastier, but it is not. Let's try the one that I'm hoping is going to be the best of the best, creme brulee. Creme brulee, it's a little sweet, but also a little burnt, which I guess is kind of close to a creme brulee. Now finally, the last one is a peach flavor. Not peach, I mean mango. Sorry, the little thing over here looks so peachy. Whew. Wow! Big surprise, surprise, surprise! The mango one is actually the best flavor out of this 4-pack. If I had to rate it from the best to the worst, mango takes number 1 as the best. Next up, creme brulee. For second place, the Virginia tobacco, number 3rd, and the worst of the worst, cool mint. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's turn this thing on, and we compare, the two parts of quality. So, let's say push draw. So, hold on, let me get a better thing out of it. I know my coil's dead on this one, so I'm actually vaping from pretty much a dead coil on this. So, due to screws that it's not that much clouds of flavor, I do have to replace that coil. But in comparison, I think we get a little bit more out of this one because we could adjust the airflow. On this one you can't. This one you can hold it down as long as you want. This one is just an auto draw. All in all, I would say, yeah, a JUUL is pretty much okay. And they do have this little down there if you want to check how much battery life you have. Like, is there a screen? If it's, yellow or red, which, green is between 100 and 50% charge. Yellow is a 25 and 50% charge, and red is anything under 25% charge. So it said just tap it twice. On camera it shows it white, but actually it's coming up green in person. So 1, 2. Hey, it's green, so it's either 100 to 50. If it was green and then going into yellow, 52. What was it? 25, and if it's red, it's 25%, which means, hey, time to stop vaping and start charging. So let me pop that off and kind of show you everything that comes with it. If I could get everything in focus here on the camera here. There we go. But we don't get that. But yeah, in the little starter pad you get your device, your garbage charger, your pods that only one flavor is the best, then this one, then this one, and then this one. So, like I said, ranking it from best, yummy yummy. Okay. Not the best, but if I had to, I could take it or leave it. But I would take it, then leave it. Take it or leave it, definitely I would leave it. So yeah, $50, that's what you get with the JUUL Starter Pod Kit. So remember, to rate, subscribe, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Alright, thanks, bye.